Here we are in deck 9, room 9607. This is our room. Surprise, it's not a balcony, but this is we have a couch area, we have a TV, we have some outlets to plug in, an internet station, we have some storage, we have a lot of water. They hooked it up. We got a mini fridge connected to the door, and of course we have our king size bed connected, which you can choose to get that separated if you needed to. And we do have a view, and I'll show you the view here in a second, but we also have additional storage for the closet with some hangers.
You can hang more stuff down here. It's foldable.
And then a safe for safekeeping if you have anything. We have a bathroom, and we also have iPod Shuffle chargers if you have those. The Royal Up program is Royal Caribbean's bidding system that allows passengers to bid for a stateroom upgrade after they've booked for their cruise. Here's how it works for a ship like Allure of the Seas, the one that we went on. Of course, the eligibility requirements are different, but after booking, you could receive an email through Royal Up, which you can set up different bids for specific room categories, such as this one right here, which is the garden view. We chose an interior stateroom at first just because the price was pretty good. However, when I received this email, I thought it would be a good idea to bid a very low amount. We bid $50, so a total of $100 extra to upgrade with a small window view. We felt that having a window view would be a better form and not feel so isolated, so we chose this. And I highly recommend getting this view as opposed to the interior no view.